To make Rudolph, we are going to start with some brown fondant that we've made by mixing together equal parts red and green. And we're going to start with making 2 small little eyes for Rudolph, just with small little bowls of fondant about the size of a very small pea. Next, we're going to make his big nose. So I like to make a circle and then I just squeeze it slightly. Next, we're going to make his antlers by taking 2 equal-sized pieces of brown fondant, and we're going to roll them out so that at one end it's slightly more pointed. So you can do this by applying a little bit of pressure to one end, and then we're going to flatten them slightly. You can pinch to make a slightly sharper point, and just use your hands to sort of press them out to make them the width you want. Now you're going to take a toothpick with the sharp end, and you're going to stick the toothpick about halfway up, and use scissors or a knife to just cut slits to make it look like antlers. And you're going to repeat that with the other antler. The toothpicks can then be stuck into the sides of the cake. I also like to do a Rudolph with a little bit of a snout, so I'm just going to take a bowl of brown fondant, press it into sort of a round shape, and then this is going to go underneath the nose. This is his muzzle.